I get asked quite a few questions when I'm chatting with my clients. Today, we're going to be answering a few of those questions that seem to come up quite often and that I consider to be pretty important. The more you know, right? The first question I get is, how often should I wash my brushes? We should really give our brushes a good scrub about once a week. Some dermatologists recommend 7 to 10 days, especially our foundation and blush brushes. They're extremely porous, so not only do they pick up makeup, but they also pick up germs and dust and everything else floating around. Also, they lose their ability to blend and do their job if they're not properly maintained. I do not recommend soaking your brushes. It can ruin them in the long run. So what I do suggest is lightly washing them in warm water with some Dawn Blue dish soap. This is a more classic method. Another great way is by dipping them into a pro solution like the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner and then wiping them on a towel until you don't see any more product and it's completely clear. And this will cut through all of the oil while killing the bacteria and nastiness. I like to wash my brushes and then set them out to dry overnight. Another question I get often is, how important is skincare to making sure my makeup looks good? As I'm sure anyone who reads my articles knows, immensely. When your skin looks great without makeup, it looks even better with it. Just by getting into a good regimen and following it in the morning and evenings, we can achieve so much. It's those little things, right? Even just by getting an extra hour of sleep or drinking another few ounces of water on the daily. I love to look at my skincare regimen as my self-care time. My husband isn't allowed in the bathroom, and I even play music to start my day or relax before bed. It's pretty great, and I really look forward to it. Are eye creams worth it? Yes, yes, and yes is my answer. We take such good care of our skin with special oils, lotions, serums, sunscreens, etc. while still being on our faces. The skin under our eyes is so much different. It's thinner and just more fragile. Saying that, I think it needs to be treated as such, and finding a right one for you is as easy as going online and typing in what you're looking for, whether it be brightening, moisturizing, or just some overall help in general. It is worth the price to get a good one. Just make sure you read the reviews and do your research. I love the Rodan and Fields Redefine Multifunction Eye Cream. It covers all the bases: puffiness, fine lines, and general just under eye darkness. Another question I get asked is, am I too old for Shimmer? In my opinion, absolutely not. As we age, we get told that we are too old for some things, but this is one I think is silly, as with most others. As long as it is a nice shimmer applied lightly and in the right areas, there shouldn't be an issue. But as we age, we have earned the right for fun makeup. I say a bright eyeshadow or lip color can be done simply and with sophistication. What are my deserted island top 3 makeup products? This is just fun to think about. If you're going to the store or even a big night out, what are the 3 things you can use in tandem or just solo to get the look you need? Number 1, a great lip. I love a big red lip because, let's be honest, you can dress it up with a gown or down with a pair of blue jeans. And whatever you're going through, it always helps you feel like you own the world. If I could wear one red lip, it would be Chanel's Rouge Allure Intense Longwear Lip Color in Pirate. It's a classic color. Number 2, a good mascara. This is the easiest way to build dimension in the eyes and make them pop. Sometimes I'll add an extra coat or two, but I'm really not into that cakey lash look, and I never double coat on the bottom because I don't want to look like I have baby spiders crawling out of my eyes. Right now, my favorite is Buxom's Lash Mascara. It's simple and it's effective, and if you do a few coats, it lengthens while still looking super natural. And number 3, a good light foundation. There are some wonderful ones on the market that can really do so much with just a tiny amount while still looking natural. Also, you can layer them if you need a little more coverage. I personally love Cosmetics Your Skin But Better because it is light and has wonderful staying power while still having amazing SPF coverage, which you would need on a deserted island anyway, right? Here are some fun questions I get on the regular. Let me know if you have any of your own in the comments, and I hope you picked up some fun tips. Thank you so much for watching Prime Women's Guide to Beauty. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos. You can always catch us on primewoman.com as well. See you next time.